For making fish pickle, we can choose any of the following dry fishes which is easily available in the market. This is the dry fish which I purchased it. I bought half kilo of it and it cost me around 140 rupees. So it's a long cylindrical type of fish. The first step is I'm going to boil some water for soaking in the fishes. And I followed the same drill on the other stove as well. After the water starts boiling a bit, I'm going to add in the dry fishes. I will not be adding any salt here because dry fishes are naturally very salty. I'm just going to stir it occasionally, and after it reaches a medium-like consistency, I'm just going to drain out all the excess water. After I'm done draining the excess water, I'm just going to separate the head and the body of the fish. Now all you need to do is put a good amount of oil in a karai and fry out all the fishes. Spread out the fried fishes in a plate and let it cool for some time. Now moving on to the masala part, I'm using here some dry chilies. It actually depends on how spicy you want your pickle to be. If you want it to be more spicy, then you can add more amount of chilies. I'm going to follow the same drill and fry out all the dry chilies that we have. Now the next main ingredient for masala is this garlic. I'm gonna fry this garlic as well. Next I'm just going to grind all of it in a mixer. After the masala is done, I'm just going to mix it with the fishes and I'm going to mix it really well. You can also add salt to taste if you like, and hence our fish pickle is ready to be served.